Good morning everyone. My name is Crystal Maya Samago and this is my performance on the teaching profession. Meron tayong pagpipilian dito tungkol sa as a future teacher. We have here is idealism or realism or empiricism or existentialism or essentialism at iba pa. As a future teacher, I choose realism because I believe in preparing students for the complexities of the real world. I want to equip them with the practical skills and critical thinking, not just a theoretical knowledge. Realize allowed me to connect classroom learning to real life experiences, making education more relevant and engaging. And the second is behaviorism. I choose a behaviorism approach because I believe in focusing on observable behavior and measurable outcome. For me, effectively teaching means creating a structured learning environment where students are actively engaged and their progress is clearly tracked. Behavioralism is allow me to use proven techniques to shape positive and behavior and create a classroom where students are motivated to learn and success. My approach to teaching is rooted in a behaviorism, especially the power of the positive reinforcement. I believe in the creating classroom where students are rewarded for their effort and achievements. By focusing on positive reinforcement and providing clear expectation, I aim to foster a positive learning environment where students feel supported and motivated to reach their full potential. Behaviorism for me is about punishment but about building positive habits and celebrating success. And that's all. Thank you.